Bioinformatics is an exciting field that combines biology, computer science, and data analysis. It emerged as a critical discipline in the post-genome sequencing era, when massive amounts of biological data needed to be managed and interpreted. Bioinformatics powers modern biological research and breakthrough medical discoveries by extracting insights from vast biological datasets. As a bridge between biology and computing, bioinformatics is essential for advancing our understanding of living systems and developing new treatments and technologies. I'll provide an overview of the key aspects of this interdisciplinary science and how it is transforming the life sciences. Bioinformatics is the scientific field that combines biology and computer science. It focuses on managing and analyzing vast amounts of biological data, such as genomic information. Bioinformatics uses computational methods and tools to extract meaningful insights from complex biological datasets. It acts as a bridge, transforming raw biological data into usable knowledge and scientific discoveries. Computational biology is an interdisciplinary field that applies advanced computation to capture and interpret biological data at scale. It combines expertise from computer science, mathematics, physics, and biology to tackle complex biological problems. This field has emerged as a critical tool for managing the unprecedented wealth of biological information from diverse sources like genome sequencing. Computational biology was developed specifically to handle the data explosion that resulted from major genome sequencing projects in recent decades. The interdisciplinary nature of this field allows researchers to gain new insights by integrating data and methods from multiple scientific disciplines. The timeline on this slide shows the historical development of computing in biology labs, from manual analysis in the pre-1990s to the integration of advanced algorithms and AI today. In the pre-1990s, biological data was analyzed manually, limited by human processing capacity. The 1990s to 2003 saw the rise of the Human Genome Project, driving the development of computational approaches, but also leading to data collection challenges. From 2003 to 2010, there was exponential growth in biological data, shifting the focus to data storage and organization. And in the 2010s to present day, data interpretation has become the central challenge, leading to the integration of advanced algorithms and AI. This historical progression highlights the increasing role of technology in advancing biological research and discovery. Bioinformatics is a multidisciplinary field that combines computer science, biology, and mathematics. The core disciplines that make up bioinformatics include computational biology, applying computer science principles to solve biological problems; genomics and proteomics, studying genomes and protein functions through computational methods; statistics and mathematics, providing quantitative frameworks for analyzing biological data; programming and algorithms, developing software solutions for processing biological data; data science, managing and mining large biological datasets to uncover meaningful patterns. These disciplines work together to enable the storage, analysis, and interpretation of complex biological information. Understanding these core areas is crucial for anyone interested in pursuing a career in bioinformatics. The key objectives of our work are to enable scientific breakthroughs through computational data interpretation, extract meaningful patterns from vast biological sequences, create software for analyzing complex biological data, and index biological information systematically for research access. Discovery is about leveraging computational power to uncover new insights from data, leading to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Pattern recognition involves developing techniques to identify important patterns hidden within massive biological datasets, such as DNA sequences. Tool development focuses on creating user-friendly software that researchers can use to analyze their data more effectively. Organizing biological information systematically is crucial to making it accessible and useful for the broader research community. Bioinformatics enables us to process massive biological datasets that would be impossible to analyze manually. This unlocks valuable insights hidden within the complexity of these large datasets. Bioinformatics accelerates scientific discovery by applying computational approaches to reduce research time from years to months or even days. It provides critical understanding of disease mechanisms by revealing how different biological components interact in complex networks. Ultimately, bioinformatics forms the foundation for precision medicine, enabling treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles. Biological data is growing exponentially, making effective data management essential. Analyzing complex biological systems and networks reveals important interactions. Identifying hidden patterns in vast datasets can uncover valuable relationships. Transforming raw data into meaningful insights is crucial for driving biological discoveries. Genomic medicine is transforming healthcare by unlocking the power of the human genome. Understanding the genome allows us to analyze complex patient data and uncover the genetic basis of diseases. This enables the discovery of new therapeutic targets and the development of personalized treatments tailored to each individual. Genome interpretation powers the analysis of sequencing data, revealing insights that were previously hidden. Identifying the genetic foundations of complex disorders is a crucial step towards developing more effective treatments. Discovering new molecular targets opens the door to innovative drug development efforts. Personalized treatment approaches leverage genomic insights to deliver customized medical solutions for patients. Bioinformatics and computational biology have enabled a wide range of important research applications. Gene identification and characterization helps us discover new genes and proteins, and understand their functions and interactions in biological systems. Evolutionary analysis allows us to compare genetic material across species, reconstructing evolutionary relationships and histories. Studying disease mechanisms at the molecular level uncovers the biological basis of diseases, mapping the pathways involved. Drug discovery leverages this biological understanding to identify potential therapeutic targets and screen compounds for desired activity. These powerful research applications are enabled by advanced visualization, collaboration, and scientific equipment in the lab. Bioinformatics has enabled significant advancements in clinical applications, from identifying disease-causing mutations to analyzing cancer genomics and tracking infectious diseases. These capabilities accelerate drug discovery and enable pharmacogenomics, allowing for more personalized and optimized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic profile. The images on this slide provide examples of these clinical applications, including doctors analyzing genetic data, visualizations of tumor mutation patterns, infectious disease outbreak tracking, pharmaceutical research, and pharmacists discussing personalized medication plans. Bioinformatics is truly transforming healthcare, empowering clinicians and researchers to leverage genetic insights for improved patient outcomes. Genetic analysis is a powerful tool for improving crops and agricultural productivity. By identifying genes linked to desirable traits like drought resistance, yield, and nutrition, we can develop better crop varieties. Environmental microbiome analysis allows us to track biodiversity and ecosystem health through genetic markers. This data is crucial for monitoring the health of our natural environments and informing conservation efforts. Genetic analysis also supports the conservation of endangered species by assessing genetic diversity and informing population management strategies. Understanding the genetic makeup of these species is key to ensuring their long-term survival. Bioinformatics is a rapidly evolving field that faces several key challenges. One major challenge is data integration, combining diverse data sources like genomic, proteomic, and clinical data into a cohesive analysis. This limited comprehensive analysis as researchers struggle to get a full picture from fragmented data. Another challenge is big data management. The sheer volume of sequencing data being generated is creating storage and processing bottlenecks. Developing user-friendly bioinformatics tools is crucial to increase adoption by biologists who may not have strong computational backgrounds. Standardizing analytical pipelines is important for ensuring reproducibility of research findings. Securing adequate computational resources, from high-performance servers to cloud infrastructure, is an ongoing challenge that can delay analyses and limit what's possible. The annual growth of genomic data is staggering, reaching 15 petabytes per year, exceeding the data produced by astronomy and Twitter combined. Over 100,000 complete human genomes have now been sequenced and stored in databases, requiring extensive analysis. The size of these datasets presents a major challenge, with 200 terabytes of data needing to be transferred between research centers. Preserving this valuable genomic data is crucial, with a minimum archiving period of 50 years required. These big data challenges highlight the need for robust infrastructure, advanced analytics, and effective data management strategies to unlock the full potential of genomic research. Rapid advancements in sequencing platforms mean our software must constantly adapt to new data formats and characteristics. Many genomic analyses require significant computational resources that can be inaccessible for smaller institutions and researchers. Optimizing algorithms to balance speed and accuracy remain a challenge. Complex methods often trade processing time for precision. Implementing cloud computing and specialized hardware is increasingly necessary, but cost and technical expertise create barriers to adoption. Genetic data privacy is critical. Breaches could have lifelong implications for individuals. Informed consent processes must be carefully designed to account for future, unpredictable uses of the data. Equitable access to genetic testing and resources is essential. We must prevent genetic data discrimination. Determining what incidental findings to disclose to individuals is a complex ethical challenge with no easy answers. Bioinformatics is a field that combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze and interpret biological data. There are several key technologies that are critical to bioinformatics: AI and machine learning, advanced algorithms that can recognize patterns in complex biological data; high-performance computing, specialized computing clusters that can handle the intensive computational requirements of bioinformatics; specialized database systems, custom storage solutions designed to handle the unique data types found in biology; cloud computing platforms, scalable infrastructure that can adapt to the variable computational needs of bioinformatics projects; Software tools and pipelines, specialized programs and workflows for analyzing and interpreting biological data. Sequence analysis tools are crucial for understanding and comparing genetic information. BLAST and FASTA are powerful algorithms that can identify similarities between DNA or protein sequences. This allows us to find genes that are shared across different species, which is important for understanding evolution and identifying conserved functions. Gene prediction software uses statistical models and biological knowledge to identify potential genes in raw DNA sequences. This is an important first step in understanding the genetic makeup of an organism. Variant detection pipelines can find differences between individual genomes, which is critical for identifying disease-causing mutations. Phylogenetic analysis programs reconstruct the evolutionary relationships between organisms based on their sequence similarities and differences. This provides insights into how species have diverged and evolved over time. Genomic data is a powerful resource for understanding biology and disease, but it requires effective management and tools to unlock its full potential. Genome browsers like UCSC and Ensemble provide interactive visualizations of genomic regions, allowing researchers to explore genes, variants, and functional elements. These browsers offer graphical navigation of chromosomes, integration of multiple data types, and customizable views and tracks to support diverse research needs. Sequence repositories like GenBank and ENA serve as central databases for archiving raw sequence data, providing standardized access for the global research community. These repositories ensure permanent data storage, use standardized formats, and enable version tracking to support reproducibility and ongoing research. Variant databases like DBSNP and ClinVar catalog genetic variations, connecting them to population frequency data, disease associations, and annotations of functional impact. These resources are crucial for understanding the relationships between genotype and phenotype, and for translating genomic discoveries into clinical applications. Statistical and machine learning approaches are powerful tools for analyzing and understanding complex biological data. Pattern recognition algorithms can identify recurring motifs and functional elements in biological sequences like DNA. Classification methods group biological entities like genes, proteins, or samples into meaningful categories based on shared characteristics. Deep learning neural networks can process complex biological data and find patterns that may be difficult for humans to detect, enabling powerful predictions. These computational techniques are essential for extracting insights from the vast amounts of biological data being generated today. Structural bioinformatics tools are revolutionizing how we understand and model proteins. Protein structure prediction software like AlphaFold can predict 3D protein structures from just the amino acid sequence, with remarkable accuracy. Molecular dynamics simulations model the atomic forces and movements within proteins, revealing how they interact and behave. Protein ligand docking programs predict how small molecules, ligands, will bind to protein structures, supporting structure-based drug design efforts. These powerful computational tools are transforming fields like drug discovery, medicine, and our fundamental understanding of biology. Emerging technologies are transforming the field of biology and genomics. Single-cell analysis allows us to examine individual cells in unprecedented detail, revealing new insights into cellular function. Long-read sequencing provides a more complete picture of DNA structure, enabling better understanding of genetic variation. Integrating multiple data types, like genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics, gives us a more comprehensive view of biological systems. Spatial transcriptomics maps gene expression to physical locations within tissues, showing how cells interact within their native environments. AI integration will transform how we interpret biological data, enabling predictive modeling of disease outcomes, automated discovery of patterns, and accelerated drug development. Real-time analysis of biological data as it's generated will provide immediate clinical decision support, enable continuous monitoring applications, and allow for adaptive experimental design. Federated learning will enable collaborative analysis across institutions without the need for data sharing, preserving privacy, facilitating global research, and ensuring diverse population representation. Advanced visualization tools, including virtual reality, will revolutionize how we interact with and explore biological data, from immersive protein structure analysis to interactive pathway navigation in collaborative virtual environments. Bioinformatics is the foundation that underpins all modern biology and medicine. It is a continuously evolving field that adapts to meet emerging biological challenges. Bioinformatics transforms raw data into actionable insights, enabling knowledge translation. The field is increasingly integrating with all areas of life science, expanding its reach and impact. Bioinformatics addresses critical worldwide medical challenges, making a global health impact.